did you ever make it to the big time? Kind of. Once, I was fourth on the left, Broadway. Oh, Sam, it was big. It was really, really big. It was like I was on top of a mountain looking down. But you know, life.
Oren, look at the mommy. Look up at mommy. Smile. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
We had a little sway. What do you want to do? Absolutely.
Oren, look at mommy.
Okay. We're going to do it. We're going to do our break run. We're going to do our kicks. We're going to add more moves. Okay. Everybody ready? Yes. Music. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Sway, 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 and to the left. Sway, 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 and step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick. Are you ready to just keep going? Go.
Okay. Yeah.
Oren, look at mommy.
Oh, this is gonna work. It's a block and tackle.
Excuse you.
And engine hoist. There you go. There you go. Other foot. Hey, good. Where'd you learn this? Sailing school. I got a 40-foot schooner back in Hobart. All right. Okay, wait. What? I will need the music. The what? Music. What? It'll help distract me from the pain. I don't have any. Oh, can't you sing something? No. I don't sing.
No, we don't need that.
What are you doing here?
My mom, my sister says I'm my dad's car. My dad's car.
Would you just relax, take it easy, kid?
I'm sorry, I've just never seen a train like this before.
Well, this here is a 1941 Burlington Silver
Good
Street.
job. Look at mommy. Good job.
Number 39 of 50. It's worth more than you could imagine. Not for kids.
But this is a toy store, and toys are for kids.
It ain't anything anymore. Look, you better leave. This is private property. Go on. Can you get out of here now?
It's a toy store.